living in a time where digital photography is completely mainstream, yet film photography is making a comeback. It's also an age dominated by computational photography, while at the same time, people are rediscovering the value of pure optical imaging. Naturally, we want the best of everything, but reality always comes with compromises. So here's the big question. Now that computational photography has matured and most smartphone brands rely on multi-camera systems with fixed focal lengths, is it still possible to truly get the best of both worlds and achieve real optical zoom on a phone? That answer comes in the form of the Xiaomi 17 Ultra. Compared to its predecessor, the 15 Ultra, which used a quad camera setup with fixed focal lengths. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. The biggest change on the 17 Ultra is the move to a triple camera system. The rear camera module has a volcano-like shape that feels visually balanced and symmetrical. The familiar Leica logo is still there on the back, with the Ultra branding placed in the upper left corner. Around the front, the slightly curved display and sharp-edged frame come together in a massive 6.9-inch screen with impressively thin bezels. And in white, the phone looks refined, clean, and effortlessly premium. Years ago, Sony managed to bring true optical zoom, roughly equivalent to 85mm to 125mm, to its Xperia phones. The problem was that, with a 1.3-inch sensor and a relatively small aperture, those cameras were basically limited to daytime shooting. That highlights one of the biggest compromises in mobile imaging. To keep phones slim and lightweight, manufacturers had to rely on periscope-style telephoto lenses, folding optics inside the body to achieve longer reach. At the same time, phones simply can't accommodate APS-C or full-frame sensors, so the industry settled on squeezing a 1-inch CMOS sensor into the main camera, pairing it with ultra-wide, mid-range, and telephoto lenses. This layout represents the current peak of smartphone camera design. Still, physics sets hard limits. Sensor size can only go so far, and software can only do so much to make up for those constraints. That's why the mainstream approach today is multi-camera systems with fixed focal lengths backed by heavy computational photography. These setups usually include 3 or 4 cameras, each delivering the best image quality only at its native focal length. When you want more flexibility, digital zoom and cropping step in, and algorithms work overtime to restore detail. But with small sensors, issues like limited dynamic range or overly aggressive contrast can still appear, especially in tricky lighting. As a result, features like HDR and super night mode kick in to patch up the image. That's essentially the current state of smartphone photography. The Xiaomi 17 Ultra, powered by the 5th generation Snapdragon 8 Ultra, takes a different approach. It addresses these problems at the hardware level. Instead of leaning heavily on computational tricks, it uses LoFi ultra-high dynamic range technology. Its main camera features a 1-inch 50-megapixel 1050L sensor, and its standout advantage is the massive 38 trillion pixel field of view enabled by LoFi. For context, the previous generation's Sony Light T900 offered around 6 trillion pixels in its field of view. This huge leap allows the 17 Ultra to track high dynamic range scenes in real time, even surpassing the roughly 14 stops of dynamic range you'd expect from many mirrorless cameras. What this means in practice is simple. The phone no longer needs complex computational compensation. It can directly capture ultra-high dynamic range, high-contrast Ultra HDR images straight from the sensor. On the 6.9-inch display, which can hit peak brightness levels of up to 3,500 nits, those photos look incredibly realistic and striking. On top of that, the camera's lens design includes APO correction for chromatic aberration, so even in high-contrast scenes, you don't see obvious purple fringing around edges anymore. Looking at real-world samples makes this even clearer. In a shot of Cupid firing an arrow, the overall color rendering of the 17 Ultra is very similar to that of the 15 Ultra. But once you zoom in, the difference becomes obvious. The 17 Ultra delivers noticeably higher resolution. Text is sharper, cleaner, and fully legible. By comparison, the same details in the 15 Ultra's image appear soft and slightly blurred. In the end, whether a flagship imaging phone uses 3 cameras or 4 isn't just a numbers game. It's a carefully balanced decision that each manufacturer has to make, taking into account motherboard layout, internal space, body design, and how well multiple cameras can be optimized and coordinated. The Xiaomi 17 Ultra shows just how far that balance can be pushed when hardware and imaging philosophy come together. As we said right at the start, the old debate about choosing 3 cameras or 4 or deciding between a mid-telephoto and a telephoto lens no longer really matters once true optical zoom enters the picture. With the Xiaomi 17 Ultra, we're seeing genuine optical zoom covering 75mm to 100mm, which translates to roughly 3.2x to 4.3x. And when we say true optical zoom, we mean exactly that. No digital cropping, no artificial magnification. Within this range, everything is handled by real optical focal lengths. Press the shutter, and what you get is a native, uncropped photo. Because of that, image quality stays completely consistent. A shot taken at 76mm looks is exactly the same as one at 77mm. You can quickly jump between focal lengths like 75mm, 85mm, 90mm, and 100mm, and the quality never changes. Thanks to pixel binning options like 4-in-1 and 16-in-1, the camera can output up to 200 million native pixels, or default to 50 million or 12.5 million pixels depending on the mode. Within this zoom range, it genuinely delivers total zoom freedom. Compared to the 15 Ultra, which relied on fixed 3x and 4.3x zoom levels, the difference is obvious. The 17 Ultra doesn't lose image quality anywhere in its optical zoom range, and it doesn't need digital enlargement or cropping. On the other hand, the 15 Ultra could only reach focal lengths like 85mm by digitally cropping the image. With true optical zoom now in play, portrait mode becomes far more flexible. You get real portrait freedom from 75mm all the way to 100mm. Looking at portrait samples across this range, the image quality remains perfectly consistent every single time. Beyond that, the phone also supports 8.6x zoom and 17.2x at 400mm using ISC cropping, with a maximum digital zoom reaching up to 120x. When it comes to night scenes, you've probably already noticed the strengths of the LoFi ultra-high dynamic range technology. Night portraits look especially impressive, with smooth background blur and reliable subject separation. Even fine details like hair edges are handled well. So, shooting portraits at night feels easy and stress-free. When you tap into the photo options, you'll see 4 dedicated scenes: silhouette, stage, fireworks, and flames. Picking the right scene for the moment helps squeeze out even better night image quality, which makes experiences like concerts feel genuinely next level. Since the combination of lo-fi, ultra-high dynamic range, and true optical zoom works so well for photos, it naturally carries over into video too. And yes, the video performance is just as strong as you'd expect. Jump into video mode and you can record 4K at 60 FPS with lo-fi ultra-high dynamic range. The same specialized scenes, silhouette, stage, fireworks, and flames, are also available for video. The 75mm to 100mm optical zoom range makes both framing and zooming feel smooth and natural while recording. On top of that, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra supports ACES Log cinematic video. Within the ACES workflow, MI Log combined with lo-fi ultra-high dynamic range allows you to restore Res 709 footage with a much higher dynamic range during post-production. Both the main camera and the telephoto optical zoom lens can shoot 4K at 120 FPS in MI Log, which is incredibly convenient for professional creators. When comparing restored log footage with clips shot on the iPhone 17 Pro Max, both with stabilization and auto exposure turned off, you can clearly see the advantage. The Xiaomi 17 Ultra holds on to far more dynamic range. Details inside shops and patterns on illuminated signboards remain visible, while the iPhone footage ends up heavily overexposed. On top of all that, the 6800 mAh battery paired with 90-watt PPS fast charging ensures you can keep shooting for longer without constantly worrying about power. And over time, what really stands out is how smoothly everything fits together within the lo-fi ecosystem. Photos, videos, and even live streams all benefit from improved image quality and overall performance. This opens the door to shots you'd normally expect from professional setups. Red carpet-style coverage with smooth transitions from close-ups to wide shots, automatic zoom while moving, and even ultra-lightweight 4K live streaming. When smartphones reach the point where they offer large sensors with true optical zoom and their dynamic range tracking goes beyond what mirrorless cameras can do, they genuinely become complete imaging tools on their own. As physical optics continue to evolve alongside computational photography, the barrier to taking great photos keeps getting lower. You can simply pull out your phone and start shooting. And if you want to experience what true optical zoom mobile photography feels like, just take the Leica Xiaomi 17 Ultra out of your pocket and start creating. See you in the next video. Bye.